channel. On today's video I have a seafood boil from Juicy King Crab. If you're new, welcome, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. So let's get into this seafood. Yes, I'm sitting on my bed because I don't feel like sitting or nothing. Came from work, I'm tired, I don't got time to sit up and eat. So it's a seafood. Y'all want to look at that? I have the regular, some potatoes, shrimps, snow crab legs, lobster tail, corn, and I have some wings, some Cajun wings. Oh, so they gave me this for free because I guess when you spend over a certain amount, they give it to you for free. Not much, but yeah. Some mussels. I've had mussels before though. Let's get into this food. I'm hungry. Corn, shrimps. I'm gonna start with an egg. Cajun sauce is so spicy. That Cajun sauce is the Juicy King Crab special sauce. Shrimp. I haven't had seafood in a minute. Well, not a minute. I think it's been like 2 weeks. So. I'll try the wings. The Cajun wings. See how it tastes. So, how it looks. They gave me a sauce with it. I don't know what. This better not be ranch. I think it is. Yeah, I don't want to get ranch. So this is my blue cheese that I think. Oh, I'm going to make an order from this. So I'm using blue cheese. I'm gonna make that ranch. I'm gonna get the Cajun. I'm gonna put the lemons by itself first. Oh. Okay. This is good. This is Cajun wings. Yeah, water. She didn't even ask me what sauce I wanted. She gonna throw ranch in the bag like I told her I want ranch. Alright, girl. I could be allergic. No, I'm not. Yeah, I wouldn't do good. Okay.
Alright, we're gonna eat a mussel.
Mussel.
Get some sauce with it. I think if I just gonna spill. No, I ain't coming to play today. I'm going to eat. Don't taste it up. Oh, the shrimp is life. Y'all know my favorite part is shrimp. I just love how the shrimp tastes. Oh my god. We're gonna have everything in the video. Ooh. Ooh. Put more egg. Beda. I am so juicy. My mouth was that messy, but oh well. Come on. There you go. All right. Go over. Okay. A little bit of lobster tail. Let's eat this up real quick. Listen, I'm gonna break it apart. Oh, the spicy meat. Oh my god. This is difficult to eat. Okay, the glove is bothering me now. To take this thing out, the meat out. What's up? Wait, also to put it backwards. Right? I don't know. That was good meat. I feel like I should take this gloves off. It's bothering me. But then my hands gonna be a whole mess. How did I open the lobster wrong? I don't know. I'm really struggling with this lobster. Why is it? I'm not getting more lobster. It's hurting my damn hand. It's really good. Good job. This thing is about to cut my hand. I'm scared to open it. Struggle. Struggle is real. Some sauce. Get some sauce. I'm gonna fall. Filling me up. I'm not even gonna eat all these mussels right here. But I'm damn sure. And these shrimp sauce. These shrimp sticks so freaking good in the sauce. The girl asked me if I wanted black shrimp. I mean, not black shrimp. Black mussels in a different color. I forgot what color she asked me. I'm like, I didn't even know that was. Yeah, a different color for that, but. I need one more plus one more of this, and I'm done. Excuse me. If I look tired, it's because I am. But I'm like, I haven't posted a video in a minute, so I'm gonna post something today. Ooh, see. Sauce it, baby. That was everything. Alright. Well, I'm gonna put chicken. I low-key don't like celery, but it's good for you. So let's have oh God. I don't like the taste. Put that cheese in wing. Get some blue cheese. I'm done. I'm not eating no more. I'm full. Okay? If I go any further, I'm really being greedy. Okay. This is really good. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.